name's Seth, and here at Sentry Air Systems, we're going to be going over how you clean the inside of our 218 PCR. Recommend starting off with the right PPE, gloves, and eye pro. First thing we want to do is we want to shut off our chassis, the blower, as well as the lights. And once you have it shut off, we recommend unplugging them to be safe here. We can open the front sash here. This will stay up for us. We recommend using 70% isopropyl alcohol as well as lid-free cloths. Now, the process we use to clean this is we're going to start from the back wall. We work from top to bottom. Make sure you overlap your wipes. Move to the sides, top to bottom, overlapping your wipes, and then you can go back to the bottom and do the same process. So we'll take our alcohol here. We'll start up on the top and the back. Just go side to side and work your way down with the overlapping wipes. All the way down to the bottom. Move over to the side here. Same process. We're going to start at the top, side to side, and work your way down. Okay. Move over to the other side. Start at the top, side to side, work your way down. And then we'll do the bottom. We'll do the same process. Start at the back here, side to side, and work your way to the front. It's the inside right there. What you do is you get another lid-free cloth here. Alcohol. We'll use this for the front sloping lid. Now this is up. You push the vinyl curtains up. Same process. Just start at the top, go side to side, and work your way down. Now from here, if it's easier for you to clean the vinyl curtains, you could do it this way, or you can close them and then get your hand in here and work this way to clean. Whichever is easier for you. Once you're done with that process, we'll throw this away. Plug this in. Turn your light on here. Turn the blower on. Once you turn this on, we recommend 20 to 30 seconds to wait to blow out all the dirty air. That way you'll make sure you maintain your ISO Class 5 environment. And that's what it takes to clean these hoods. Thank you.